I ate chicken and broccoli every meal for 7 days straight. What's up? Yes, you heard that right. Chicken and broccoli only for the next 7 days. Why, you might ask? One, I've never had this strict of a diet and I've always struggled with discipline in eating, so I'm curious to see if I can push myself. And two, I have a little bit of fat on my belly just like everyone else, and I want to see how much I can lose in a week. So, the rules for the week: only chicken and broccoli. I can season the chicken and broccoli with 0-calorie seasonings and 0-calorie sauces. For drinks, I can drink water, black coffee, and green tea. Day 1, I hopped on the scale and weighed in at 165.2. After weigh-ins and pictures, it's time to go shopping! Yummy! Alright, officially day 2. Just getting up right now. Energy's fine, and surprisingly hunger isn't that bad, but I'm very excited for coffee. Day 2, caffeinated, hydrated, plan for the day. We're gonna go to the grocery store. Yesterday, I went to Target. They only had frozen broccoli, and they didn't have any ground chicken, and the only thing they had was chicken cutlets that were already marinated. They weren't bad, but I wasn't a fan, so I'm gonna go check out another grocery store, get some ground chicken, some regular chicken, either chicken breast or chicken thighs, get some fresh broccoli, come home, drop that off, go to the gym. I work out fasted, come back, start cooking my meals. Let's go. All right, the grocery haul: chicken breast, ground chicken, broccoli, green tea, got some sugar-free teriyaki marinade, some lemon pepper seasoning, don't know why, there we go, lemon pepper seasoning, teriyaki, calcium, magnesium, zinc, fish oil, D3, and melatonin. All right, just finished doing shoulders at the gym. I'm hungry, like my stomach, I can feel it, it's empty. I didn't get lightheaded or anything like that because I already workout fasted, so nothing crazy happened at the gym, just felt empty. So I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna do the ground chicken, put some taco seasoning on it. I'll show you guys the taco seasoning, and broccoli. Let's get to it. All right, we got our ground chicken going. This is the taco seasoning or taco blend I'm using. 0 calories there. Let me get the broccoli going here. Alright, it is officially the end of day 2. It is 10:30 right now. I'm usually awake until like midnight, 1 o'clock. I'm a night owl, but I'm pooped, so yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. Alright, officially the morning of day 3. Slept good, only woke up once to go to the bathroom, but energy feels good and no hunger whatsoever. I'm gonna get some coffee, drink some water, and then go for a little walk, and I'll catch up with you guys. Alright, so it is 11 a.m. Just finished working out. Did back of legs and triceps. I felt super weak and empty. Honestly, kind of irritable just because I wanted to do a better workout than that. I kind of had a big workout plan, but I just couldn't even get through all of it. So I'm gonna go get some protein in me right now. I'm gonna do like some homemade, low-calorie, spicy chicken nuggets. It's day 4, and we're more than halfway done. I'm so excited, honestly. I'm so excited. But let's go over a few things. First off, I slept fantastic. 9 hours of sleep, best sleep I've had in weeks. So I do feel great right now. Tons of energy, no cravings. Last night I went to bed with the worst cravings. No cravings, not hungry. So I'm pretty pumped. Day 4 started off really good. Now let's talk about hoops. Usually I take 3 a day. Right when I wake up, right after coffee, and then 1 more throughout sometime in the day. The first 3 days, I took 1 small poop, and I felt very empty, but also bloated at the same time. And but I was satisfied. Like I didn't need to go. I wasn't holding anything in, nothing crazy like that. Day 4, it took 2 massive poops. No bloating, and I feel great. I do not feel empty. So I am really happy right now with how day 4 has started. Now, with the energy I have, I'm gonna go finish up the leg workout that I couldn't finish yesterday. I still need to work out abs. I have been neglecting those just because I usually do them at the end of my workouts, and I've had 0 energy by the end of my workouts. Then I'm gonna probably go on like a 30-minute walk, just get some sunlight, and yeah, enjoy my Saturday. So let's go.
Douchebag mirror flexing. Oh yeah.
All right, so it is officially day 5. I am feeling good, lots of energy, don't feel empty whatsoever. Sundays are my rest days, so I am just sitting here watching some football. I do need to go shopping for some more chicken a little bit later, and other than that, we are going on a walk. All right, it is officially day 6. Let's go over day 5 real quick. So I did not have an appetite at all yesterday. I was not hungry at all. I ended up eating, of course, had a couple of meals, but just never got hungry, which was really weird. I did go on a walk last night, which I meant only to be 20 minutes, ended up being like an hour and a half. I just felt really clear in the mind, had really good energy, but the weird thing is I still feel like I am not 100% physically. Like I don't feel like I have 100% of my strength. So kind of weird there, but felt good overall. Also, I had the first 4 nights I had really bad cravings that night. I did not have any cravings that night. I really wanted like granola, like something crunchy and something sweet, and I did not have any cravings whatsoever last night. Starting today, I woke up at 5 o'clock this morning, which I don't normally do. I usually wake up around like 8 or 9. So woke up at 5, wide awake, just got up, kind of started moving. I have not had any coffee or anything yet. So I'm gonna go to the store, get some stuff for coffee, drink that, and probably stretch and then go to the gym a little early and just get my day started early today. It is officially day 7. I'm excited that this challenge is almost over. Honestly, I woke up feeling great today. I slept great, no hunger, but now that I'm thinking about the challenge is almost over, I'm getting really hungry. I'm a little nervous because I'm doing a big leg day, doing lots of quads, and I don't think I'm gonna have the energy to get through it, so that part's gonna suck. But we're gonna do it, we're gonna get through it, we're gonna go all the way through today, and tomorrow will actually be when I break the diet and I weigh myself and we do all that. All right, it is officially the Last Supper. I bet you can't guess what I'm eating too. Oh, it's chicken and broccoli, who would have guessed? No, but seriously though, look how perfect that's cooked. Not dry, tons of flavor. I'm excited. All right, the challenge is over, and this is the weigh-in. 162.4. This is what I ended up choosing as my first meal back to carbs. These protein pancakes turned out so good. This is literally my second batch right now. It has been a few days since the challenge is over, and here's my conclusion. Would I do this again? No. I know it's just a crash diet. It was a fun little experiment. I saw the physical difference, but the lack of energy, the lack of strength, and the cravings, especially while working out with all that, it didn't make it worth it. It didn't make sense for me. It might make sense for you guys, but it didn't make sense for me. So I'm gonna stick to tracking my macros and just staying in a slight calorie deficit until I get to the body fat percentage that I want. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. There's gonna be tons more content coming out.